In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Gemini not loading. If Gemini isn't loading for you, the cause is usually one of three things: a service outage, an unstable internet connection, or cached data in your browser interfering with the page. We'll move from the quickest checks to the ones that reset your session so you can get back up and running with minimal disruption. First, rule out a widespread issue. Open an outage tracking site like Down Detector or check the Google Cloud Status dashboard to see if there's an active incident affecting Gemini or related services. If reports are spiking or there's a posted outage, the best move is to wait and monitor. Trying lots of fixes during an outage won't help, and once service is restored, Gemini should load normally without further action. Next, confirm your connection is solid. Whether you're on Wi-Fi or mobile data, toggle airplane mode on for about 15 seconds, then turn it off to refresh your network session. This quick reset can clear minor connection hangs. If possible, move closer to your router or switch briefly between Wi-Fi and mobile data to compare. If other sites feel slow or time out, focus on stabilizing your internet first, then try Gemini again. If the connection looks good, perform a hard refresh to bypass your browser's cache. On Windows, press Ctrl+Shift+R. On a Mac, press Command+Shift+R. This forces the page to reload fresh resources from the server. It's more thorough than a normal reload and often resolves pages that appear stuck or partially loaded. If Gemini still won't load, try incognito or private browsing. If it works there, you likely have a browser extension interfering. Ad blockers and VPN extensions are common culprits. Temporarily turn off those extensions or pause your VPN, then reload Gemini in a regular window to confirm which one caused the conflict. If the issue persists, clear site data just for Google domains. In Chrome, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and open Site Settings or Cookies and other site data. Search for google.com and remove cookies and cached data for that domain. This targets only the affected site without wiping your entire browsing history. Note that it will sign you out of Google on that browser. Finally, sign out of your Google account and sign back in. This refreshes your session and can resolve token or permission glitches. If Gemini still won't load, try another Google account. If it loads there, your primary profile may be temporarily affected by a bug or block, and it often clears up after a short time. That's it. Work through these steps in order, and you should have Gemini loading smoothly again.